Hi, this is to show you how to create a new corporate prospect. So we're going to create a new account and just go to the drop down under accounts, press new account, press organization, press next. And then here we're going to type in the account name and leave the greetings blank for now. And the account type is going to be prospect. And when you select prospect category is now going to be available because it wasn't before. You could choose whichever ranking you want to give it. Domain name, please fill this out. It's US. And then from down here, you can choose. You can type in the address, 123 Main Street. And then you can save this. That's pretty much all the information. Now, what happens in Salesforce when we create a new organization account? A new, what we call like a dummy constituent, will get created. So we're on the account, and you could see a new constituent got created. And it's simply the company's, I'm going to go into the details. So we're in the constituent details, and the first name you could see is Johnson & Johnson, and the last name is always account. So I'm just showing you that as an FYI. However, this might come in handy because if you have a person's name who's your main contact at the company, I would simply just edit this and actually write their name here. There's a save button. So again, we just overwrote the constituent's first and last name with an actual person's name. I'm going to refresh this. Yeah. All right, so it's John Jones at Johnson & Johnson. And that's really it for now.